Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright, Gemini, let's see what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And newbies, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. And also, newbies, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, your mutual energies, etc. Action cards. If this is your reading, Gems, you'll know which side you're on, because for me, this is going to be person A, this is going to be person B. So here's action, most probable action from person A and from person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Page of Swords in reverse. What's happening here? Well, somebody is holding back from the connection, it seems, Gemini. Somebody is holding back. They would rather be by themselves, single, independent, taking care of themselves now. Whereas the other person, they feels, they feel quite embarrassed and ashamed of maybe some behavior of theirs in the past. They do want to return though. They do want to return. There's been some kind of pettiness that's happened in this connection, maybe, some gossip or I don't know what, but it hasn't gone well between the two of you. And person B seems a bit embarrassed and ashamed of their past behavior. Maybe they did something which was not that great. They do want to return though. Where person A is concerned, well, they are strong now. They are holding back, they are taking care of themselves, enjoying their life as a single independent human being, looking good, growing their pentacles and whatnot. So before I start this reading, Gems, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards, okay? So Gemini and their person, spirit. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person. What would they say to each other if they could, spirit? Gemini and their person. Okay. I'm going to take a few more gems from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Gemini and that person. All right. Okay, Gems, let's start your reading. First card here says, wishing you the best, even if it's with someone else. I think this is person A. Holding back, saying, I'm okay by myself. You want to be with somebody else? Well, all the best. Sorry for what I've done to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. Sorry for what I've done. Karma is kicking my ass now. They did do something which they're very ashamed and embarrassed about. The way we are so in sync scares the hell out of me. I'm terrified. You made me realize that I had flaws. I'm trying to do better now. At first I thought it was only a sexual attraction, but it's so much more than that. I love you, mind, body and soul. I did not expect you to enter my life when you did. I wasn't ready. I feel so stupid for choosing lust over love. Alright, James, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. But of course, we'll start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you for today's read. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Higher education. Somebody had to learn a lesson. And I think the lesson has been given and learnt. Higher education. This was like a soul contract between the two of you. Maybe one person well, maybe both of you learned some lesson. Maybe person A learned how to take back control of their life and, their self-respect, their dignity. And the other person has realized that, well, lust does not equal to love. All right, so I'm going to put this here. So I'm going to start now, Gems, with the energies of person A and A only. Concentrate on one side, then we'll go on to the other side. Don't get confused. You'll either be resonating with left side or right side, right? So we're going to start here with person A. Just give me a second though, my phone is ringing. Sorry for the interruption. Let's start now with the energies of person A. Person A, why are you in the strength energy right now and the Nine of Pentacles? Why do you feel this way? Why do you feel you need to hold back? Because either there's been some argument or a talk or some harsh words, or maybe person A just feels that person B is very rash in their behavior. They are very flighty and they are in and out and not really securing this connection. So I think person A is preferring now to hold back from the connection, maybe healing from whatever's happened between the two of you, taking care of themselves, feeling that person B is a trickster. They're a magician in reverse, is a trickster, somebody who creates false illusions, doesn't mean what they say. They say something and do something else. So I think person A is healing from the realization of what they see person B to be, and they are deciding it's better to be single and independent. And yeah, I think person A is kind of realizing, I don't want to put in any more work into this connection. I would rather put in that much work on my own self, get myself out of this confusion. I'm not going to be an option in person B's life anymore. I choose myself and I choose to take care of me, and all that work that I was putting into this connection, I'm going to put it into me to have a better life for myself. Yes, I think person A was probably waiting around for a long time for person B to make a decision, make a choice, maybe choose them, but maybe person B kept them hanging. Maybe they had a choice between two and they never really got that offer from person B. That offer was never made, and person A always felt like neglected or rejected or bored and lonely, waiting for that offer that never came. So now person A is kind of taking back their power and saying, I'm holding back, I'm no longer putting in any more work. So what happened, person A, in the recent past that you made such a decision? Queen of Wands in reverse. So either they found out that there was a third party maybe with person B, or there was a fight or an argument which made person A get a little upset and angry, and they decided, hey, I'm going to walk away from this. There is no emotional happiness to be had here. I'd rather kind of bring this connection to a standstill because this upsets me. I feel like I'm always the loser in this connection. I never get that, that place that I feel I should get. I always I'm made to feel that I'm not good enough, or it's like, yes, I think person A decided, I am no longer interested. I'm no longer interested in even arguing with you or talking to you or talking about the connection with you, because they sense that person B always creates drama, maybe with third parties or something. I don't know. This keeps coming up. So I'm saying it. See again, 3, 3, 3, so many threes here. So either things have just not been working out, and person A has decided to turn their back on this connection because they were upset. They were angry. They felt if there's going to be no emotional happiness, then I'd rather walk away from this connection than to deal with any more drama here. Right? So person A, how do you feel about the connection now? How do you feel about person B? Person A is maintaining what they've said till now. They are again saying the same thing. I see them as a magician in reverse. Okay, that's exactly how they were feeling in the top row as well. They see person B as some kind of a trickster energy, or somebody who is too clever for their liking, I guess. promising things which they don't deliver, and person A is saying, yes, I'm still angry, all repeating cards. I had the same card here, right? Queen of Wands in reverse, Queen of Wands in reverse. So either they feel, like I said, that this magician has either another person that they're dealing with, another third party, or I think person A is tired of the conflict, of being upset and angry and trying to decipher what this magician means and says or will do. So I think this person A wants to give up this conflict totally and move on to finding peace and harmony and happiness in their own life as a single individual, me and myself. All right, so what action person A will take, I'll open later. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. So person B, why do you have the Six of Wands in reverse? Six of Wands in reverse. Well, person B does want to talk. They do want to talk. They want to clear the air. They want to clear the air. They're feeling very ashamed and embarrassed about whatever their behavior was in the past. Maybe they were not giving equally. Maybe they were breadcrumbing person A in the past, right? But now they've had some kind of an aha moment or some clarity where they now have made some kind of a decision and some choice which they want to come and speak, because they don't want to overthink now, or they want to get out of their stress and tension, and they feel I can only do that if I return back or my person returns back to me. So 8 of Cups in reverse. What's that, Spirit? 8 of Cups in reverse. Yes, they want to bring back balance and harmony into this connection. Person B does want to return back and do the right thing now. Okay? So what did you do, person B, that you need to bring balance and harmony back into this connection? What happened in the recent past? Well, person B is admitting that they were not that sincere or mature. They may have been a bit of a player, or may have been in and out of person A's life in the past, and they are admitting that they kind of betrayed the trust of person A. So, Knight of Wands, what did you do? What happened, person B? What happened in the recent past? Okay, one more. One more. Person B says, yes, I did do all that, and because of that now we are not talking about this connection, but I do want a second chance. I do want a second chance. I do see a 10 of Cups now with person A. 10 of Swords, no, but they're a bit afraid. They feel now that even if I do go back to person A, I know that they're going to have their boundaries up, they're going to be a little standoffish with me, they are going to block me out. So person B is feeling quite devastated, knowing that now that they want to try again, that avenue may be closed off. They may not get a second chance. Yes, things have totally stagnated between the two of you now. Why? Because of this Knight of Wands, right? The creating drama and not doing the right thing, or just, I hate to use that word again and again, but this player word is used a little too much, I think, in tarot. But basically this means a person who was not stable in making a connection work. They treated it very lightly, right? So how do you see the connection now, person B? Well, person B says, well, I am not confused anymore. I am not going back and forth anymore. I have made my decision. I have made my decision. Nothing else excites me or interests me anymore. I do want to get out of the cold with person A now. Yes, they are dreaming of their 4 of Wands. They want this happiness back with person A. They do see long term, and they desperately want to come out of the cold. 5 of Pentacles in reverse. What's the 5 of Pentacles in reverse? Yes, this person has thought about it for a long and hard. They've given it a lot of time, and what they've realized it is that, yes, I miss my person. They are so regretful. They are sad. They feel guilt at what they've done, because that little time apart, I think, has enlightened them to what they have done to contribute to this ending of this connection. They are hoping big time that, that past baggage can be dropped now, and they can somehow return back to their person and do the right thing now. Okay, so let's see what action will be taken here. I'm going to use a different deck for this one, Gemini. And if this reading was resonating with you even a little bit, or even entertaining you, if you could just hit that thumbs up button, that really helps the videos to circulate. That would be very helpful. Thank you so much. So person A, the Tower in reverse is the action they intend to take. What is that? Why is the Tower in reverse as an action? Okay, one more. They do miss person B as well. They do miss person B as well. Okay, 8 of Wands, 7 of Swords. I think person A does miss person B. They would be open to communication. They would be open to rebuilding also, I feel. There is a lot of nostalgic memories and the feeling of, being best friends or known each other for a long time, or just having a very good connection till I think something got found out, but I think person A is quite all right with opening up communication or rebuilding. Am I right, Spirit? One more for person A. What's the action? What's the action for person A? The Hierophant. As long as person B will do it right this time, as long as they honor this connection, as long as they commit to this and they respect this connection, I think person A would be all right to start over, rebuild with person B. So person B, what action will you take? Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Why is that an action? Okay, one more. One more. What's the action? 10 of Swords. One more. 2 of Pentacles and the Strength card. Yes, they're trying to gather up their courage. They are trying to, they feel very, very stuck. They know that they've done something, maybe put a spoke in that Wheel of Fortune to make things halt between the two of you. Right now, I think they're suffering big time. I had the 10 of Swords twice for them. They're feeling really down and out for what they've done. Yes, they could have been juggling, or they are going back and forth in their mind about something. I think they're gathering up their strength. They are gathering up their strength to offer this brand new beginning once again. They do want a fresh start as well. So, give me one more, Spirit. What's the action person B will take? Action for person B. What action will they take towards person A? The Emperor. Okay. Alright. So person B does want to take action. They do want to take control. They want to show up now properly. That's a nice reading. So person A is ready for the commitment. Person B is ready to offer it. That's a nice reading. And they're coming, the Chariot. They will be coming, and they will be, this time I think, doing the right thing. They've learnt their lesson. Whatever lesson had to be learnt has been learnt here, Gemini. And well, that's it for today. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.